First came the injection, then the searing three-clawed beast mark burning into my arm. The next thing I knew, I was alone in a dark forest with countless eyes gleaming back at me.
Yeah, fill it up super. Uh-oh. I don't know why that car pulled over straight up. So whose fault is this? It was the car or the truck? So the truck driver went straight. When he was there, this car wasn't there, so he knows that there is no car, and all of a sudden this car pulled right in the back of his truck. And without double checking it, so at least it still helps.
Have it.
Okay. All right. Good luck, guys. All right. The weird thing is, if you are smart, you know there's a truck parked, and then this guy